Okay, I had to rearrange the setup of my table so I could get this all in the big shot so you can see it. But, alright, for this video, we got the Mighty Morphin Yellow versus Scorpina Battle 2-pack. And we will unbox it and take a look at it. But first, I'll get you a picture of that so you can see that. And then, of course, I'll get you the side here. You can see the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. And I'll get you this side. There is Power Rangers, and the other side is Scorpina. On the back, you have the digital rendering of them going after each other. I'll show you the top. I'll turn around like this. You can see the top. That's marked off by the lightning bolt. And then take a look at the bottom. You got all that there. And of course, you got that there. So, let us open it up and take a look at it. Get it from this side. So there they are in all their plastic prison glory. So let's take the Yellow Ranger out first and take a look at her. Whew, it flew off. Well, I did have her hand. Oh, it slid off. There it is. So is that. Oh, look at this here. We'll take out Scorpina too, but we'll just set her to the side here so we can take a look at the Yellow Ranger first. Set her over. I'll set her to the side over here. So, we got all this. I'll show you. There's the saber daggers, blaster form, dagger form, or sword, and then. Now, is this the Tanya head or the Aisha? Which one was first? Was it Aisha? Then it was Tanya? Okay, so this is the Aisha head. You can correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I'm pretty sure I think that's what it is. I can't remember in between when Season 3 into Zeo happened, which one was Tanya and which one's Aisha. I get confused on who came first. But there is the... Oop. I put it back up here. There's the grip hand there. And then there is the action pose hand with the karate chop thrust or thrust. That thrust or the chop. Okay, here's the Ranger. Not bad. It is pinless arms, but not pinless legs, so it's kind of a mixture of the new pinless arm. It's pinless, but now that I realize it, this is an old mold too that they just repackaged, because this is the way they used to look before with just an elbow joint and nothing more. So yeah, this is an old mold body, so it's basically the Trini Ranger body with the new, with just another head, which I'm still thinking is Tanya, because I think Aisha took over after Tanya, if I remember right. We'll say it's Tanya now, and then you can just tell me later. So yeah, it's the Trini Ranger body. So you pretty much know all the stuff that's, you know, points of articulation on it from anyone who's had the Trini doll. So there we go, that. And this has up here, but it also has the ab crunch and the torso. And of course, the arms, which are butterfly, but this is about as... Whoa, that is really creepy. Ooh, I guess it goes for that way too. So you can crisscross the arms because that's how much motion they've got. So of course, there's the wrist. It is the back and forth and not up and down. And the head has that. And then the legs. And the foot. And we'll get the other side. This leg. And the foot. And we will show you the hands. So I got the grip hand for this one here, which is kind of different. And then the hand for that there. So you have, actually pose like this. Like this. Karate chop. Okay. So let's put the other hands on so we can show you the weapons in the hands. So we'll show you what it looks like with the saber daggers. So there it is, the saber daggers. So we could go like this. Or a real shot. Like this. Like an action shot. So that. So then, I'm guessing that the one hand is for her to grip it when it is in blaster form. So this hand is for that. So we take this hand off. I put this hand on. If I could keep from losing it. So I have that. And then this hand, I'm assuming, yeah, is for her to hold it in blaster form. So I have that hand for dagger form and that, or hand for sword form, and then that's for dagger form, or blaster form. Sorry. Doesn't hold very well, but if you don't move it, it'll hold. So I have that. So it's that. Okay. So let's put that in there, and then we'll show you. If I can get it off. There we have the, oh man, I want to lose my camera. I can get her head on. Is it on? No, it's not on. This one feels like I might need to apply some heat to it to get it to stay on, because it's not one. Ah, there we go. Okay, it's on. So I can see that, and we'll show you with all the stuff up here. The hands. There and there. Sorry if the table's a little shaky. So I have the hands there. You see the hands and the helmet. And then and the blaster in dagger form, and then her saber daggers. So that's there. Okay. So now we'll show you Scorpina. So basically not much to her. She has the head, which has no, just barely range of motion. She does have butterfly joint in the shoulder. And this one is not hindered by the arm guard. It actually works very well. So let's see. have that because she's got the same thing, just the elbow joint. And let's see Scorpina's. Okay, she has the up and down wrist, and I'm supposing this one is back and forth. She has ab crunch, which is really, really flexible, but you can see, wow. And then, of course, the torso swivel or whatever it is. And her can almost get to the Van Damme pose, but not quite. So we have this. And then with legs, you get that much there in the knee joints. And the foot is that far there, but not. Okay. Yeah, so you can get that. And as far as she has the drop down hips, they're not too drop down though, so it's not that bad. So let's see, I got her, and I'm guessing her weapon can go in this hand. So I have this hand with her weapon. So I'll show it that way. But she also, I'll get you a close-up of the weapon if you want to look at it. So like that. Show you the other side. It's pretty much the same. So there we go. She has a fist hand. And then she has a grip hand. It's extra. So I'll show you this hand. A fist hand. And then, of course, the open one goes into kind of a pistol grip, I guess. There we go. And it goes up and down. And this one's back and forth. So she can go from a fist in that hand and holding her weapon in this hand. She goes like that. So I have that. So let's show you basically what Scorpina has. Oh, she fell down. That one foot is not wanting to stand up right. Let's see. There we go. So it's basically just that. So that's Scorpina. And we have these blast effects. So that and that. Not really sure. Don't know. And I'm guessing, let's see on the back of the box. It's not even showing the effect. So I'm guessing this is just whatever you want to do to make it look like whatever's going on. I guess you can put it somewhat like that on her thing. So yeah, that's basically it. Well, let's see. We'll move this stuff out of the way, and we'll get like, put Aisha up with or Tanya, whoever it is. I'm sorry. Still don't know. And so we'll have it like this. Tanya, or Aisha attacking like that. So there you are. So that's the Mighty Morphin 2-pack of Scorpina and the Yellow Ranger. Besides the fact that she goes back like that far, the solidness, I think, is basically like, I'd give it an 8 out of 10. 7.5, 8. But overall, it's pretty good. So, I don't know. Let me know what you think, and we'll be back with another one.